Every month, we send some of your biggest questions on nutrition, health, and more to a panel of experts to answer. The question, why do I have to pee 1,000 times after having only a small drink in the morning? And no, I'm not pregnant, was answered by Kerry Peterson, MD, Internal Medicine, Lenox Hill Hospital in New York City. At night, your kidneys filtrate less urine, and your bladder relaxes and holds more of it. Plus, a hormone called vasopressin instructs cells to retain water. So considering those factors, it's not surprising that your bladder may be quite full in the morning. Then, is your first liquid a mug of coffee? Caffeinated beverages can have a diuretic effect. Also consider whether you just have to pee a lot all the time. If so, see your doctor to check for a urinary tract infection, peeing would be painful, or overactive bladder. Less commonly, needing to pee a lot could be a sign of a medical condition like diabetes, often accompanied by thirst, or uterine fibroids, which are benign growths. You might feel pressure or have heavy periods. Again, in those cases, see your doctor.